For the past couple of years, AI has been improving really rapidly. From 2021, we started with generative AI, and in the later future, we're going to be having agentic AI doing all the work for us. But in between, there is some sort of way to integrate generative AI, but also have agentic AI with us. And that is called AI workflow. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about different types of AI workflows and how you can, as a creator, as a student, implement AI workflows in your day-to-day life. Hi guys, my name is Ayan Agha. I am a creator. I talk about AI, I talk about content creation, business as well. So if you guys are interested, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own AI workflow. So first things first is that we need to understand what an AI workflow is. And it's nearly not as complicated as agentic AI. Basically, when you are working with AI, there are three types of AIs. One is generative AI, which we're using right now, ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, etc., etc. The second type is called AI workflows, and the third type is called agentic AI, which I did talk about in my previous video. So if you guys haven't seen that, then I'll have the link in the description down below. So please go ahead and check that out. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about AI workflows. And in simple terms, AI workflows is having different unique platforms, different apps going through a sequence of commands, okay? So for example, let's say I wanted to create a YouTube video and upload it to YouTube, okay? If I wasn't using an AI workflow, I would first of all come up with the video idea, maybe ask ChatGPT, come up with the video description, the video script, and then finally film the video myself and then edit it and then manually upload it to YouTube. Whereas AI workflows in this example, I can give a command to the start of the sequence for my AI workflow. I can give it a command to, let's say, I want to make this YouTube video. Okay, I want you to create up the title, description, script, and I will film it myself, I'll edit it myself. And then when I hand over the video to you, you are going to automatically upload it to YouTube. And so this command right here, this will trigger a sequence of events automatically, which will produce an AI workflow. So you just had to put the input, and then using that input, it would do not just one command, but maybe 2, 3, however many steps, however many sequences you have in that sort of AI workflow. So basically, this is a step ahead of generative AI, but not as close as agentic AI, which does everything for you. So now the question is, where can you actually make AI workflows? Are they paid? Are they free? And the answer to that question is yes, anyone can make them, and it is so easy to make nowadays. In fact, the most popular AI workflow website which you can use in 2025 is called make.com. Now, there are many different websites, but the most relevant that I've seen on the internet right now and that I've used personally as well is called make.com. And in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make your own AI workflow. So here we are on my laptop, and you can see I've opened make.com. You just have to go to Google or whatever web browser you're using and just search up make.com, and it will come up. You have to log in or sign up, and then it will take you to something like this. So what I did was, I've already got a sequence right here for what I use for my content creation. But essentially what you want to do is that you want to come down to, I guess, make a sequence, and it will give you a blank sort of slate, and then you can add your own apps here. So I've already added my apps here. So I've linked in Google Sheets plus ChatGPT for my little sequence, for my little AI workflow. So what this AI workflow does is that I have a content Google Sheet that I use for whatever content I need to post. Once I finish filming and uploading my content on YouTube, then this AI, this ChatGPT model, will automatically update that Google Sheet, okay? So what I've done is that I have linked in my Google Sheet from my Google Drive, and I've even given the sheet name, spreadsheet ID, and if it contains headers or not, and the amount of times I want this workflow to continue. So I then, once I've filled all that out and I've connected my Google account, I can press continue. And right now I am setting up my ChatGPT model. Okay, so when you're setting up your ChatGPT model, you of course have to have an API key. An API key is a special key or a special password which you yourself can only use when you want to integrate ChatGPT in different softwares. Okay, so you can do that via going to search in in Google API key, or you can go to this tab right here. It will say API, OpenAI API key. And then what I have done is that I have chosen the type of model. So I want GPT-4o, GPT-4o mini, which is, again, you don't need that high range of a model. You can use even the most simplest model because you're just updating a Google Sheet. So once I've chosen my model, I can choose what role it actually is. So I'm going to choose assistant. Okay. And in here, in this text box, I'm going to write what it needs to do and what it is required to do in this sort of sequence. So as you can see, I have made my own AI workflow. It's already running right now, and I think I can show you that this is a sample content table that I've made. And over here in the D column, it will say the status, which I've connected. So in this case, like this type of content, have it platform YouTube status done. Okay. So I didn't write that. It actually was the ChatGPT model which analyzed it and wrote that it was done. And it will do that for the rest of the other rows as well. So yeah, that was the AI workflow. That was how you use make.com. If you guys want a more thorough video, more in-depth video about how you can make AI workflows, then make sure you comment workflow, and I'll make sure to make one even better. But otherwise, if you guys really enjoyed it, then please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel. And if you guys haven't seen this video, then make sure you watch this video because, of course, it's a real banger. And I'll see you guys in the next video.